to go over this example right here. It's on page 112. And the reason I wanted to make its own videos because I think that last time that I explained it, it was a little confusing, and then on top of that I didn't do enough examples, so I'm going to do a few of them here for you so that we can all be on the same page on how to do this when you're regrouping numbers. So on the example it says 42, okay, minus 18. And what they do is they break apart the numbers because they break it into tens and ones, okay? So, and they break it into tens and ones just so that it can be easier to subtract in your head. So over here they broke it into tens and ones, and it's very easy to subtract 40 minus 10, but it's still not easy to subtract 2 minus 8. So that's why they take one of the tens and kind of from the 40 and give it to the 2. Okay, so then we end up with our new problem, which is, it looks like this. It looks like 30 because we took that 10 away. So now there's 30 instead of 40. And then it looks like this one gained a 10, so that's 12. And then we have minus 10 and minus 8. So first we go ahead and subtract our ones, and we have 4. Okay, so remember we have our ones and our 10s separately. We're doing them separately, so then we're going to mash them back together when we're done. So that's why this becomes a plus, because once we're done adding our ones together and our 10s together, then we just add them back, put them back together so that we can get our answer. So this is like having 3 $10 bills and then one of them goes away, so now you have 2 $10 bills. And then this is like having one single dollar bills, and you take away 8 of them, and now you have $4 bills. Now you're taking your 10s and your 1s and you're combining them, so then you get 24. Okay. And I'll do another one just so that you guys can see what it is that's happening here. So number 14 on the same page, page 112, it says 34 minus 16. Okay, 34 minus 16, and we would do the same thing here. Go and put this over here, and it becomes, let me make my arrows smaller so I have space. Okay, so this becomes 30 plus 4, and then this one becomes 10 plus 6. We're just breaking up the numbers into tens place, which is 30, and ones place is 4. Tens place is 10, and ones place is 6. Okay, and then again, the same thing happens where we still don't have enough to give to this one. This is subtraction. We don't have enough to give 6 to take 6 away from 4, so we have to take a 10 from this one. So we give a 10 here, and this leaves us with 20 plus 14. Okay, because 30 just lost a 10, gave it to the 4, and then the 4 gained a 10, so now it's 14. And then we just bring these over, minus 10, minus 6. Okay, and we take away the 6 from the 14, and that makes it 8. And then we take away the 10 from the 20, that makes it 10. So then our answer is 18. Okay, I'll do another one. Number 15. Okay, number 15 is 74 minus 38. And we do the same thing. We say, okay, we're going to break this down into 70 plus 4. This is going to be 30 plus 8. Okay, and then we say, well, we still can't subtract that. Okay, and I always forget to turn them negative because this ones are the ones we're subtracting. So, okay, so we do that, and then we say, okay, 30 and 8. So we cannot take away 8 from 4, so we have to get that 10 again. Okay, so the 10 gets away from the 70, gets taken away, and is given to the 4. So then we end up with 60 because 70 lost a 10. Okay, and then we end up with 14 because 4 gained a 10. And then we do minus 30, just bring these over, minus 8, and then we have 6 plus, so So we do our 1s first, now we're doing our 10s, plus 30, so our answer is 36. Okay? So that's how those are done. It's just regrouping to make it easier, because subtracting 60 minus 30 and 14 minus 8 is way easier than 74 minus 38. So if you regroup your numbers, it makes it easier to subtract. So thank you, and if you have any questions about this, please let me know and I'll answer them. Thank you.